Mary they send divorce paper. Now me Mary they send divorce paper. Now me Mary they send divorce paper.
It's okay, bro.
Mary want to share my property. Mary want to share my property. Mary want to share my property. Now me Mary they send divorce paper. Now me Mary they send divorce paper for.
It's okay now. Did she bring it to work was coming here?
Can I me Mary they send divorce paper for? Jesus Christ. This is unbelievable. Now me Mary they send divorce paper.
It's okay.
Daddy, they say are you guys seeing it? I'm on live right now. The whole world is seeing this right now. Wise one. The whole world is seeing this right now. Guys, tell me what I've gone wrong. Tell me where on earth I have gone wrong and what I have done. Victor, go live with this one. Yeah, don't shake. Wise one.
What's happening? What is it?
Wait. Hold on, hold this paper first. I did on a business meeting with some people because we talk about Lemon Care Foundation, something like that. How one take grew something. So one person called me saying a sheriff from High Court of Ikeja, blah blah blah. No, just know. Check that paper. So, guy, the thing may be saying now, Mary they serve me divorce paper. Not only say she they serve me divorce paper, Mary wants to share my property 50-50.
I lie.
Guy, check that paper. Immediately as that guy just serve me this, I just say, okay, they come. Then God say your house no far.
Are you serious?
Then God say your house no far. Maybe they serve me divorce paper.
Sue you to court.
She dey sue her papa, not be me, she dey sue to court. Victor, please come and get on the stage.
Jesus.
Come here, my friend, what's wrong with you? Where did they see him? Where did they see the kind of person where I go marry? When some people they support and say, now better girl, she go change. Where they see, Victor, make sure you're getting everything. See him?
Are you serious?
Now me, person who I call my wife, now me she dey charge for they go court. Now, people when say that say na joke. See am now. Come, Victor, come get this thing. Now joke. Yeah. You know say I'm not believe say Mary won't. Mary they threatening me with court. I don't know say Mary me now. Mary they threatening me with courts every day. I don't know say Mary me now.
Oh, act fast, since what is this? Woman week.
No, you be the supporter. Why so now you be the tell me say this guy go change, this guy go change. You full of people they tell me say this guy go change, this guy go change. Meeting now when I get with some important people, I got to leave them because I won't answer one court sheriff like that. Coming to my notice is a divorce paper. Not only divorce, she's suing me. Not only suing, she tell me say she won't share my property 50-50. Is she mad?
Property was even picking for you. Did she give birth to a
Is she mad?
It's okay, calm down. I beg, cool down. People watch this thing. Cool down. I wanted you to act fast. I want you to act fast before. Why people wicked?
Are you still alive? Are you still on live video? Get everything. Ah, God. Now there's one line that she said me the abuser. Have I ever laid my hand on Mary before?
Domestic violence.
Me. Mary swear with your life that I've never laid my hand on you before. Mary swear, Mary swear doesn't mean don't beat her before.
I don't want no cry here. I beg no, don't try it. You don't, it's clear now, it's crystal clear. Now you can read the handwriting on the wall. I was shouting these things since I was making video about it. I was telling you, act fast, do the needful.
Mary swear that say me, I don't beat her before. Or I don't even slap her before. Then she swear.
Same person with scatter TV. Break property.
You know how much of this Mary don't break for this house? You know how much Mary don't scatter for this house?
No.
Now me she dey charge for court.
My heart deep.
Now me Mary dey charge for court.
It's okay, calm down.
Tell me where I go wrong. Bro, I won't know. I don't fear the court matter. When Mary dey tell me about courts, I be thinking a joke. I be thinking she dey carry me dey play.
I don't understand what is.
I know they fear court, but tell me now how I did deserve all these things. Oh God.
Say you dey beat siblings then.
Who siblings?
You brought dogs. You are
Me
using
big dogs.
to beat.
Not me brother carry my phone. Want they wipe me for my head. HME no that day. I say that day.
I was there. Who is the dog now? Now you bring talk. I'm not useless. Oh, God of mercy.
Me, guys, this is not play. Victor, carry that live video come.
Wicked.
Carry that live video come. Guys, this is not play. Mary is video this thing very well. Are you guys saying? Now me Mary, they send divorce paper. Okay. Guys, are you saying it? Now me Mary, they send divorce paper. Now me Mary, they send divorce paper. Now me Mary, they send divorce paper. Now me Mary, they send divorce paper.
It's okay, bro.
Mary want to share my property. Mary wants to share my property. Mary wants to share my property. Now me Mary, they send divorce paper. Now me Mary, they send divorce paper for.
It's okay now. Did she bring it to work for coming here?
Now me Mary, they send divorce paper for. Jesus Christ. This is unbelievable. Now me Mary, they send divorce paper.
It's okay.
Guys, they say are you guys seeing it? I'm on live right now. The whole world is seeing this right now. Wise one. The whole world is seeing this right now. Guys, tell me what I've gone wrong. Tell me where on earth I have gone wrong and what I have done. Now me Mary, they sell divorce paper. If you guys think all these things is joke, is this one joke also? Wait. Is this one joke also? Is this one joke also? Is this one joke also? Now me Mary, they sell this divorce paper. Marriage whenever I even reach 5 months.
This girl is funny. Accusing you of adultery.
Marriage whenever I even reach 5 months. When I go outside cheat on Mary, when?
Same person where you see.
Same person that caught with his her ex. I mean with his ex.
Human.
Marriage whenever I reach 5 months. Whenever I even reach 4 months.
It's okay. Stop. I no go like this crying.
Thank you.
You call me, I come out. I don't go like her.
Thank you. They give me divorce paper. You know how much I don't spend. You know how much I don't spend. This will not come up for joke. You know how much I don't spend. You know.
Oh, Mary, come on now. Come on.
You know how much I don't spend.
For them? What you do for your mama? What you do for the brothers? The sister, everybody. She's thinking.
So what did she come my life and fraud me? Ah! Jesus.
It's okay. Lemon, it's okay. I beg. You won't give yourself BP. You must solve this now. It's okay. I'm not going to what's all this one. It's okay. She kill you, you die. Now court this when you come. Now you might be the go court. Put the call to your lawyer. Call people. What is the about? No, I beg. I felt this coming. I feel them. And they tell you, I don't tell you, I talk about online. I'll tell you face to face. Act fast. Do the needful. When can release the ATM card to her? Saying you talk and say you want test. I feel talk say that from that place, that money where she collect, that she go collect this dirty charge. I mean, lawyer that went to print this thing.
And for me, I have been thinking the same thing that this thing. Now, child, I made lawyer because
that's the
me too. 3.7 million from my account to go carry charge and be lawyer. Because of what? She know what I get. Now my wife, maybe say I get everything. She knows everything about me from A to Z. Now she won't use them against me.
You man.
I feel say I'm married, I write some properties for her.
Hey, stop! I'm gonna do this.
God!
Then what's the problem now? How can I see this one now?
Yeah.
What's the problem now? Person die. That must say you have seen it. You don't clear now. You don't come up and you don't clear. You don't play like 3D. I was singing this thing because to perceive I don't have sense. In as much as I wanted this thing to work out, deep down my mind there, I can see it. The way this guy take, all of a sudden, don't get 100% confidence. You're having a meeting, she will sit down like something there back. She had all these things flying out. They write this script down. I don't trust anybody from their side. You don't know the sister when they come here.
It's sister go dey handle better person. It's sister go dey handle she say she don't know anything. It's sister don't know the sister what I for me that they say she don't know all these things.
Ma, yeah.
The sister go dey say that she don't know all these things.
Ha! They're all involved in this. They're all involved in this. You don't do.
Yeah.
You don't do. But this girl, they lie you. They lie you. That she has stopped living with you for over a month or 2 months. They lie you. How you want to share property with somebody when you don't born picking? You don't born picking for this person. You didn't bring anything while coming. Even the Facebook that you have access to now, you are telling you that time. Don't do this thing, don't do this thing. That's your personal account. Now you get that. You're signing a deal with her. You want to have a deal with her.
Yeah, I want to know say all these things go happen. I be witch.
Look at, even if you're not a witch, I know they say you're a witch.
Get this person we're talking about where it's. She was my wife. I mean, that's my wife.
You should never
You're my wife.
You should never be 100% open to a woman, whether wife or anything. They're not 100% open.
They tell me this kind of thing when they talk.
You go agree.
They tell me this kind of thing when they talk to my wife.
You hear me before. You don't hear me now. Now see what don't do now. See what don't do now. You agree hear me. No cry, yo. I don't want that. Bad. I don't want to take.
I know they cry. I know they cry. I know they cry.
You're on live. People are watching you.
I'm not crying. I'm not crying.
They don't call you. You answer. Now you might be the book of the spirit.
I know they fear the court, bro. Nobody caught me, they fear. Wait till they talk, they say, how my wife, person why I call my wife.
Stop man using that adjective of wife anymore. What's wrong with you now? What is wife you're saying? Somebody that went this far, serving you a divorce paper, not only a divorce paper, suing you to court, accusing you plenty charges here, wants to share the property in Marital against my wife. What's the kind of what are you saying now? What are you saying? You know her name. If you want to address her, mention the name. Call her name direct.
How Mary, wait, bro. This they touch me. How Mary go do this kind of thing? How she go do this kind of thing?
Expect anything from women. Expect the unexpected from them. Now, one gender will say you don't feel really rely on 100%. Expect anything. Now, court. It's not prison. You didn't kill. You didn't steal. You're not doing fraud. You didn't do any illegal something. Now, marry, you marry. Don't be bad thing. You know, crime you did here was to 100% open your heart, love somebody to the court, to a fault that you were not even seeing the wrong side of it. Now, I'm going to make it. How you physically? I even went online and 2 videos talk about that. You know they hear me. Act fast. Do the needful. Do the needful. The next thing, the bullet ATM card. They hear this one. Carry the ATM card now. Withdraw money in Nigeria. Go give the own money in Nigeria and then is someone to sue you to court. Go give. Nigeria go. What does she have? I'm sorry to say this. What thing? What does she have? Of course, it's your money now. Jide go give using your money to sue you to court. Now court. And you might be the good head, no spirit. Thank God you get lawyer. You don't even have one, you have lawyers.
God, I swear this simply I film for her eye. It be like film for my eye. It be like film for my eye. Mary. I mean they give court paper.
Same Mary with the day here. Cook. We'll chop. Do love, play.
Jesus, I hope all the world are watching this thing right now.
Of course they're watching.
I hope all the world are seeing this video right now as I'm going live. I hope all the world are seeing this thing. Every bloggers are seeing this thing. I hope say every bloggers now they see this thing now. I hope everybody is seeing this thing right now. I hope say everybody they see the kind of problem where I don't go carry myself put right now. I hope say everybody they see out. I hope.
Wound yourself, Wound yourself. Whoa. I'll not tell you to not to cry anymore. Make sure you enjoy yourself. Enjoy yourself. In a mellow. Hey! No matter what we came wanting to share property. What? Oh, come on, let me not talk.
Do you know what I worked so hard to reach this level that I am right now? Do you know how I worked so hard?
You opened up, you did like this.
Tell me what see this girl wants to and give am. Then why is she after? What is she after? Like I don't just understand. Tell me what she want. Why not say I don't give her? Tell me. She discussed her one night. She tell me say before I open that business for her mom. She tell me say babe. She talked to me in the night. I couldn't say okay, no problem. I have to do it. At times I answer her family first before my family. Now sweaty I get.
I called the call you come. You go.
I know they fear the courts. No, the courts they fear me. It just that say every day I want to try heal. More heartbreak they come. I feel so when she they talk this court thing. I think say maybe now like she dey blackmail me. I feel say she no fit do anything. Now what is this? What am I saying?
The moment I noticed this 100% confidence in this lady, and then I knew something was wrong somewhere. Even if I can't lay my hand on it, I know say something there. Something there. Is that she had plans or there is something behind? And of course, she has unveiled it already. This is it. According to the date where they herself, she don't do this thing, they come like she has been processing it. She's been on it. Why giving you problems? Yeah, she's been on it. Why making you see her? They collect drip up and down every two days. Now I want drip. Cook. Taking drip like alcohol. On behalf of somebody.
Cold don't enter my body.
It was that. What is that one?
I really don't understand. You don't understand how I feel right now. You don't understand how I feel right now. You know if you understand. You got that. You got that talk. You don't understand. This is not be like a film for my eyes. Babe. It's no longer a film. It is no longer a film again, bro. What is the meaning of this? Bro, it is no longer a film. It is no longer a film. Bro, is my eyes paining me? Are my eyes paining me? Victor, please come and say all these things. Get all these things. As you're going live now, just stay there for a while. Stay like that for a while. Let people be watching it. Just stay like that for a while. Let them be watching it. Jesus Christ.
The definition of somebody being heartless.
This is more than heartless, bro.
Heartless.
Tell me now, what did she want to gain from after all this stuff? Or what's she gonna gain? I know the fear, but I'm just heartbreaking.
Your answer was, this is the main reason from the onset. Now you know.
See, I just did heartbreaking. Like I did heartbroken. Like I'm not really expecting this. I'm not really expecting this. Lagos State. Jesus Christ. Me. I've never ever laid my hands on Mary before. I've never ever laid my hands on Mary.
She wrote it then. She wrote it then. Domestic violence. That's in it, if any. As you're beating her, that's the meaning of domestic violence. Same person that scattered your TV. Happy? I come here, I saw it now. Same person that destroyed so many properties here. Same person that the brother Bereba grew fan. Pure against. Assuming I saw this coming, that one's supposed to date jail by now. What if you die? What if you slump? What if something happened to you? What if as that guy now grow far now, he done. That's not domestic violence.
Hey. Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Lord of Jesus. Same people I call my own. I take care of person like I think I'm like my own family. Our people, I think I'm like my own family.
That's the problem. People they take.
I know how much I spend for your brother. I know how much I do things for your house, for our house. Now you come fraud me. You won't come bring me down.
I caught the call, you look good.
Tell me how. Just tell me how. You know this, I'm not scared. I'm not for. But it dey pain me inside. So now that's why I love and they do this kind of thing to me. I don't fear. I don't fear anything. She thinks that if you bring me down, she no fit. Bro, you know all these things. She no fit bring me down, bro. I don't say yes, I don't do stupid thing by loving her, but she cannot bring me down. As if they won't put down like this here, I will make sure I will become their family. May they just go ready for me. May they just go ready for me. That court will go on. We must finish am.
How you talk?
We must finish that court to go on. We must finish am. We go do everything. We say, she dey feel say they get power. May they just get ready to sell. May they get ready to sell that land.
That's it.
May they if if they get land, may they ready to sell anything within the house. They are not saying they don't get anything. May they ready to sell everything when they get. Even if I don't say yes, my money don't finish. I get men. I get people who say go stand for me. I get people. May they get ready for them. That court we won't go and finish.
You talk about here.
That no, they tell me this kind of thing. That court we don't go and finish. As now woman being the main person they get evil. Now woman being the main person they get wicked. That court we don't go and finish. I don't fear. I don't fear. I'm just being pained. I express my feeling like this. And my full feeling now they spread so like this. I don't fall. I'm not for anything. Now my full feelings are they expressed like this. That court will go on. If their family not come back here, and me, I swear I don't go agree. They go see trouble, they go run. I've been calm since, right? I've been calm for a very long time. This time they go see trouble, they go run.
Don't do. Yeah, my house go.
They go see trouble, they go run. Now I mean that people won't come for straight. All of them for the house, they insist all of them for the house are the same thing. But in either sister they do as they say. She pretend as if she don't know what's up, Abi. She pretend as if tomorrow she will carry a useless leg come for you, Abi. She pretend as if she don't know what's up, Abi. She will see my real character. All of them go see my real character. All of them go see my real character. That court will go on. I don't even go and finish like this. That trouble, I will make sure I will just set everything in time like that court will go on. Are you seeing where she did that paper? You see everything.
She know the plan of the call. She has this thing processed from back. You were not paying attention to details.
Now me. Is it not third that is there? I'm second. Second. What's today's date? This guy is devil. This guy is a devil. A complete devil. They say marriage na good thing, but not be for my side. Not be for them on side, oh. Marriage na good thing, but not be for them on side. Not be for them on side.
What's good? Don't do. You don't do.
Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Hello? Alex? Yeah, I did. He don't say, Mary, don't give me divorce paper. Now today. No, I did meeting with my foundation people and some people we can see us. Now one person is them saying from court, court sheriff, I don't just understand. So we got to meet so very fast and I just end up the meeting so quickly and I left there. I just, as I come house, I call Wise on making their house already or making their house already. Wait now. Nine, I checked the paper. I see say Mary gave me the divorce paper. And the most annoying thing we did now be say, she just said she won't share my property 50-50. I no fall for that one, I no fear, I no send. The second thing, she dey write nonsense, say me I the abuser. For the people, say me I the abuser. Say the marriage is toxic. Say blah 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 things. Meanwhile, I don't know if you go see the video when his brother carry something knock for my head.
Who's that?
I just say everybody watch that video. And I don't see why you follow for people they tell me say I stop to the post video online. You follow for people they tell me say I stop to the post video online. You don't see why I dey post video now. Before some useless, stupid Nigerian bloggers now go carry now write nonsense for wetin I not do. You don't see why I dey post video online now. When we say if I just come my house like this, I will just on camera. I'll tell Victor to just on the camera down because I know what she can do. You don't see the reason now. Now she's charging me to court. She dey sue me sef. No, it's not bringing me down, but I'm just when Mary they tell me say court, me I feel say na threatening. I feel say she dey threatening me. But now I don't see. I see. Alex, this is not fake. I will send everything to you on WhatsApp. No, they tell me this thing. At least I get learned the beats. If I don't say yes, I don't know something. At least I get learned the beats. I will send you the pictures on WhatsApp. These things are stamped from Ikeja High Court. I will send you for WhatsApp. It is stamped from Ikeja High Court. Why is one even? Why is one not talk?
I want to medical away. Do. But bro, fake, it's not fake. Yeah, it's not fake too.
I was thinking it was fake. To God, well, I was thinking it was fake.
I
saw the stamp and everything.
Relax now. I just called me, say one of their chef, sheriff, whatever, from court. Now I call and making because he been there one meeting like that, yeah. No be police. That sheriff like people they come drop something from court. Yeah, divorce paper plus in the sue him again. A divorce paper, they sue him again to court for domestic violence. Say they beat her. As in, say they beat her.
Victor, please stand up. Stand up from there. Let's make you sit down. No, what make you sit down, Victor?
Yeah, send the beat don't do now.
No, what's make Victor sit down now?
Send the beat for house. Yeah, domestic violence. Oh, person way na she break TV, na she dey scatter things, so na she go. You see woman, no, threatening to say you want share property into two. Picking way, no, God will bless you. You got there. What did you bring? What you were exactly what I was saying? Can you be with that? What did you bring where you were coming? You're not productive. Married of how many months? You want share property? You want share property wrong?
As na the law of it. As na the new updates now wey dey reign.
Oh, guy, no fear.
As na the new updates wey dey reign now, she want divorce. Take wetin her papa and her great grandfather no work for.
Na court they call person. Court. You know, yes, of course, you know thief. You didn't steal, you didn't do anything bad. It was not do fraud. So na court they call. As she don't go now and bring everything come out. We'll get our own lawyer too. Get 2, get 3 if possible. We'll go to the court. The human being they go there. Exactly. I enter the court. Yes. We'll go there, we'll see. We'll have this whole thing must be dissolved. You don't declare now. You don't declare. Everybody don't see him now. Everybody don't see the kind of person when they don't declare.
You don't give my phone. Bring my phone.
Don't declare.
Oh, I don't know why they go tell me the video you dey down. You dey sit down. Oh, somebody asks you to video something that is very important. You're sitting down. For what reason?
Okay, don't do that. I'm on call here. Oh, Wahala. I ain't get at the court. I saw this thing coming. I foresee him. So I saw everything coming. I ain't get at the court. We are going there. No, they keep us in there. So far, you didn't do anything bad. Yes. I try. We'll go. Well, no Wahala, no Wahala. No problem.
Guys, hope you guys are seeing all these things, right? You're seeing all these things. My wife, my person wife, they do all these things. So, my person why I call my wife, be this. This is what she's doing, right? She dey charge me to court. I don't go that court finish. Now, human being they make person the wicked for this life. Make them they know now. Now, human being they make person the wicked. Are you guys saying it? Are you guys saying it? Now, human being they make person the wicked. Make them they know. But no problem. I no fear. No, nothing they stop. I no fear. No worry. Let me end the life.